up shawty, and all these niggas call me racked up shawty.
Yeah, it should be.
You are not playing with this traffic, especially since I have to drive on the left side of the road, so it's all scary. Is it my turn? Excellent. That's scary.
Me can't count money no more. If it ain't right, it ain't right.
Do I stay in this lane?
Zip the bag up.
Do I stay in this lane?
It doesn't matter which lane you're in.
Okay, okay.
I got these niggas hating on me, but I don't give a fuck.
He had a big old TV in his car, his little ratchet little car. Somebody cut in front of me? No, they're going, ah! Okay.
I'm the best.
You can turn it off now. Yeah?
There's a mysterious figure! Dun dun! Dun,
Oh, shoot!
dun. Sam, move out of the road!
What are we doing?
No! Guys, gonna kill me.
What's getting out? I do.
Sorry, Sean, for almost killing you. Bye.
That was funny. Yeah, I haven't done a vlog in a long time. In South Africa, finally here with my brother. Don't do that. Driving on the left side of the road. You see where the wheel is. So this is kind of confusing to me. I'm gonna shoot that sides up video as soon as I get to Zimbabwe. At WinkyD_hates me. I get the same question every time. Does Winky D really hate you? Shut up! Yes, he does actually. Honestly, it really has nothing to do with me. It was just a little situation that happened with one of my dudes.